Hello my friends, I'm Professor Hans von Puppet, and I would like to tell you about a new YouTuber who is from Germany. Florian Stollmayer is from South Germany, which is considered Bavaria. It's right next to Austria. I'll bet you're thinking The Sound of Music, Mozart, even Arnold Schwarzenegger. I'll be back. Oh, just kidding, I never left. Florian is a musical artist, but he's written a new book called Florian Stollmayer's Quick Guide to the Oktoberfest in Munich, Germany. Bavaria is the home of the original Oktoberfest. Florian's Quick Guide to the Oktoberfest explains cultural differences, what to expect when visiting, what to wear, how to speak Bavarian slang, German, and so much more. You can purchase a paperback or an ebook titled Florian Stollmayer's Quick Guide to the Oktoberfest on Amazon.com, or just click the link below. Get your copy of Florian Stollmayer's Quick Guide to the Oktoberfest today. Auf Wiedersehen!
Howdy folks, I'm Florian Stollmayer, and today I'm gonna play for you a song you really must like. It is called Über Eimer, and it is a German Bavarian folk song from my homeland Bavaria. I hope you enjoyed these selections. Please make sure to check out my brand new book, which is called Florian Stollmayer's Quick Guide to the Oktoberfest. You can purchase my book on Amazon.com or directly from my website, which is florianstollmayer.com. It comes with a handwritten card and a personal autograph by me. Remember guys, with over 6 million visitors each year, the Oktoberfest in Munich, Germany is the biggest beer festival on the globe. As a native Bavarian from Munich, Germany, I will give you a quick insider look on the Oktoberfest. Things like what to wear, what to expect, how to order drinks and food, and so much more. Have fun on the Oktoberfest. I'm Florian Stollmayer. Please do not forget to rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm gonna see you next time. Hello again, it's Florian Stollmayer. With over 6 million visitors each year, the original Oktoberfest in Munich, Germany is the biggest beer fest in the entire world. It normally starts on a Saturday, the second last week on September, and ends on German Unity Day or a day after in the beginning of October. As a native Bavarian, I will give you an insider look on this mega event. For instance, how to travel there, what to order, what to wear, and so much more. Please check out my ebook or paperback called Florian Stollmayer's Quick Guide to the Oktoberfest online. It's available online on Amazon.com, BarnesandNoble.com, Apple Books, and others. Please see the links below. So long, or as we say here in Bavaria, für Gott und auf Wiedersehen.